Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Shopify B2B feature has changed quite a bit recently, and in 2026, even basic plan merchants can now build wholesale workflows directly inside Shopify. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify B2B step by step. First, make sure your products are already configured correctly inside Shopify, including pricing, variants, and inventory. Then go to Markets, Catalogs, and create a B2B catalog. This controls which products wholesale customers can see and what pricing they get. You can assign custom B2B pricing here, and on the basic plan, you can currently create up to 3 active catalogs. Next, go to Customers, Companies, and create your wholesale customers. Add company details, contacts, permissions, and optional payment terms like net 30 or net 60. After that, go to Markets and create a B2B market. Assign your company locations first, then attach your catalog. This step is important because without company locations assigned, B2B pricing will not appear correctly. Next, enable the new customer accounts under Settings, Customer Accounts. This is required for Shopify B2B login and pricing access. Then configure your payment methods under Settings, Payments. Many wholesale stores use bank transfer or payment terms instead of immediate checkout payments. You can also configure shipping rules under Settings, Shipping and Delivery. If needed, you can create separate shipping profiles for wholesale buyers. Finally, for storefront customization, Shopify's trade theme is worth exploring because it already includes features designed for B2B ordering workflows. Overall, Shopify's native B2B setup has become much more accessible for smaller merchants and hybrid businesses. I hope this video helped clarify where Shopify fits in the B2B space today. If you want to go deeper into this topic, you can also check out our blog where we break this down in more detail with real setup considerations and cost comparisons. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.